Internet, what's up? This is Rod from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about getting started with iOS 13. I know we're a little on the late side. We want to see what 13.1 would bring, and wasn't really worth the wait. So this video probably should have been up earlier this week. If you're new to iOS, or if if you're leery, you want to see what's new before you hit that update in case it's like buggy. So we're gonna let you know a few things they may have moved, where you'd be like, all right, well, how do I do this now? Okay, so first and foremost, probably one of the bigger things, bigger visual things, is dark mode. So that's pretty much system-wide for pretty much most of the default apps. To do that, it's pretty simple. You just go to settings, you go to display and brightness. It's the first thing up there, light, dark. But the cool thing about it is that you have the option to say like, all right, I wanna have it be light throughout the day, and when it turns night, go to dark mode or however you want, and then do it at that. So next up is the default keyboard. For those of you who may still use it, or ping pong between that and your other favorite keyboard, you can now swipe and type to make it faster typing. So once you get the handle of that, you can probably get a lot more things done single-handedly on your iPhone. So now you can take a screenshot of the entire web page and edit it and annotate it or whatever, and then send it or save it. This only works in Safari. I've tried it in Chrome, doesn't work. So what do? Just take a screenshot like you normally do. Hit the side button, aka the power button, volume up button at the same time, take a screenshot, tap that screenshot on the bottom left corner. It'll pop open, and then you'll have the option for screen and full page. You hit full page, you'll have it, and then there you go. So with the 3-camera layout, they've changed a few things in regards to how you used to do things in the camera app. So to do burst mode, hold the phone up like this, you would just tap, press on the shutter button and drag it to your left, and that will, get you burst mode. If you're in landscape mode like this, you just take the shutter, press it, and press it down. So it's pretty much the same motions. So just, if you're up that way, down that way. Now, there's a new thing called Quick Shot. So you're able to access video mode within photos. So instead of having to tap and toggle on it, you can just do it on its own. In order to access Quick Shot, you would just, long press the shutter button and drag it to the right, and then boom, you're recording the video without having to swipe, record. The App Store looks beautiful, it's nice, but how the hell do you update your apps? So what you do is, you have the home page, your Apple ID icon in the top right corner, tap that, and then you scroll down past personalized recommendations, and if you have any updates, it'll be down there. Control Center gets even more useful. So now you can access Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices directly from there without having to go into settings. So what you do is you long press either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi icons. Once you're in there, if you're looking for a Bluetooth device, you long press that. Or if you're looking for a Wi-Fi device, you long press that, and then menu will pop up. You pick your desired device, a key code, or you gotta put in the Wi-Fi password, and then you're connected. And then last but not least, iOS 13 has built-in call blocking. So what you do is you go to settings, you go to phone, and hit silence unknown callers. So these were the tips that we found that we think might be beneficial to you guys. Let us know if you found some more. Talk about it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with our content. Tell us what we're doing right, tell us what we're doing wrong. Regardless, we appreciate you for watching. If you've made it this far, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you next video. Peace.